So I'm here to talk about gun violence and how its effects are affecting America, where I used to live. So gun violence in America goes back to 1993, and it's been injuring people and killing people from 1993 to the present. And if people don't realize how this is happening, it's not gonna stop, or at least it's not gonna stop immediately. So I want to get it out to the public to find out to help you understand how this is happening, and so that you can stop it. So most gun violence, most suicides are gun related, which is very painful and very, very not logically right. So, like just dying from this is just one of the risks. Like, if you don't do it right, you can get serious deformities, conditions like amnesia. It's really horrifying what this can do to you. Like facial deformities, throat conditions, blindness. It's horrible, and mass murders in the United States killed 20 people on average per year, and in 2012 alone, there were 84 people were murdered in mass killings, 4 of them with handguns, 4 of them with assault rifles, and 1 of them involving a shotgun. And in 2013, there were 449 deaths in that year, mass murders pertaining to a bit of it, and 177 of the cases in 2013 involved shooting out of 177 out of 233 cases involved shooting, and 84 of the cases were family killings, unfortunately. And furthermore, studies show that mass killings occur in a rough amount of 2 weeks, which isn't that amount of time if you think about it. So these things are happening very rapidly, and there's just almost no possible way of telling when the next one's going to happen. Some people may think that shooting is justified in some cases, like in wars, but just because you're fighting to protect something you love or care about, and just because it's you think it's just for self-defense and standing your ground, it doesn't mean that it's okay. People die from this, and if they don't die, they are scarred or injured for life. But there is some good news to this. Gun-related injuries have declined by 39% from 18,253 injuries in 1993, the beginning of all of this, to 101 injuries in 2011, 2 years ago. And it's still going down. But that means that, but there's also a bad side of this, meaning that there are still killings going on, and if we want them to stop, then we have to do something about it. And the economic impact of this is $100 billion a year, mostly to healthcare. And if that much is going, if almost that much is going to healthcare, then it's a bad state that America's in. So in conclusion, I'm still standing firmly on how to stop gun violence, and I hope that I showed you the way to help stop this.